Hey there, what's up guys? This is Crypto Mac and we are watching Crypto with Crypto Mac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going into the video, please like this video and also subscribe this channel in order to support this channel. And we have one more thing to discuss, that is in the first video we'll be discussing about a new channel which will deal with other cryptos rather than Bitcoin. But we are not going to have another channel. What we'll be doing is we'll be creating another series within this channel, Crypto Mac channel, and the series name will be launched soon. And we'll be discussing about other cryptos like altcoins in that series in this channel. So we'll be having only one channel, that is Crypto Mac, and we'll be dealing with two things. One is about Bitcoin and other newses, and we'll be having another series. In that series we will be dealing with the altcoins and other newses. So that is about the thing. And today we have massive news that we have Bitcoin whale cluster shows 14k as a pivotal for BTC price bull run. We are going to see this one. You can see $12,000 to $14,000 is a range. So Bitcoin should maintain between this range in order to start its bull run. And we are going to see this one. Next, we have the news from Warren Buffett. That is, Warren Buffett buying gold may push Bitcoin to $50k, investors say. Warren Buffett is investing in gold nowadays because in olden times, in olden days, he used to say the gold doesn't have any value and it doesn't used for utility purposes. But now he changed his mind and now he's investing in gold. We are going to see that one. And gold investment may push Bitcoin to $50k. So what is all about that? We are going to see this one. And this is about the commercial ad we have seen in the previous video. And you can see after TV commercial, the Grayscale Bitcoin Fund receives $195 million in 1 week. This is insane, guys. This is insane. This is about the mass adoption. And people are investing in Bitcoin. They know the real value of Bitcoin and what is the benefits of holding Bitcoin. They are now realizing that. And that TV commercial went crazy. And you can see in 1 week, Grayscale receives $195 million. We have another news, that is crypto locked in DeFi clocks record $6 billion. It's insane, guys, because DeFi's locked up amount are increasing day by day. You can see just on Friday, the amount of locked in crypto hit $5 million. Now, within 3 days, next $1 billion. It's insane. It's insane. So we will be dealing with these news, and as usual, first we'll be doing market analysis, technical analysis, then we'll be jumping into these newses. So let's dive into this video. First of all, we can do the market analysis in the coin market cap, and we have, let's see the first top 10 coins and how the price is behaving in the last 24 hours. So about Bitcoin. First of all, we can do the market analysis in the coin market cap, and we have, let's see the first top 10 coins and how the price is behaving in the last 24 hours. So about Bitcoin, we have minus 0.48%, and about Ethereum, we have minus 1%. XRP is minus 0.74%. Chainlink down 1.4%. Bitcoin Cash down 1.53%. Litecoin is up 1.51%. And Bitcoin SV minus 2.41%, Cardano 0.12% up, EOS we have up 0.97%. So in the top list we have some losers and some gainers, but you can see the Chainlinks are in a correction phase because it pumped a lot in previous days and it made all-time highs. So you can see it's not a downtrend, it's like a consolidation phase. You can see the charts here. It's like in a range. It's trading in a range. All the coins, the top 10 you can see now. It's trading in the ranges, so nothing much down. And about the gainers, we have OMG network, that is 41% up. REN protocol, that is 31.25% up. Waves plus 24.23%. We have BAT, that is basic attention token, that is 19.78% up. We have Earn Finance, 19.71% up, and Zero Exchange, that is 19.38% up. Reserve Rights 18.98%. We have lots of gainers, and you can see the percentage also high in terms of gaining. We have Kava, we have Terra, we have Aave. So we have lots of gainers. In terms of losers, we can see we have Amplify, that is minus 4.32%, Blockstack minus 3.93%, Compound minus 3.68%, DB minus 3.4%, Nervous Network we have minus 3.23%. All in all, we can see it's not much losers, because you can see the losing percentage or in one digit, like minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. It's like a small lose. We can't say it's like a bear trend. It's like a consolidation phase. And in terms of gaining, you can see it's like 40, 31 percentage, 24, 19, all are in 2 digits. So compared to this, there is no much losers. And this is all about market analysis using coin market cap. Next, we are going to see about the Bitcoin price. So this is a technical analysis of Bitcoin price, and we are trading at 11,860 range. So we are trading at 11,860 range, and in case of daily time frame, you can see it's holding tightly between 12,100 to between 12,100 and between 11,100. It's like $1,000 range. It's holding tightly between this range. You can see now. See, it's like a up, then it's having a consolidation in between these range, and this is about daily time frame. And if it breaks, we have a resistance at 13,000, then we have a resistance at 14,000. So this is about the daily time frame, and it's still about 200-day moving average, and also above 20-day moving average. In terms of 1 hour, it is having a small range movement, and it's nearby $12,000 resistance level, and it's holding tightly near $12,000 resistance level. And we can see it have formed a small triangle over here, and we can expect breaking of this above or below. In terms of support, we have $11,100, and in terms of resistance, we have $12,100. And in terms of 1 hour also, it's maintaining above this 200-day moving average. If it breaks 12,000, we can expect a $13,000 next resistance. From there, you will be having 13,000 to 14,000 will be another resistance level. Then we will be having a great vacuum until 17,000. So this is about the Bitcoin technical analysis. In terms of Ethereum broken that previous resistance of $420, and it tested again the $420 as a support. You can see here it is tested again. Then it made a high of $444. Then it's again tested $417. Then again up. But now you can see the support is now $420. You can see the price is rejecting at this ranges up. Then we have a rejection over here, which is acting as a support now, $420, and we can expect a correction in Ethereum. If the correction occurs, means it also need to break this $420 support level. Then if it breaks that, we can expect the price up to $390. This will be another support. And if it also breaks, we can expect the price up to $366. This will act as another support. If there is a correction, means the price may go down to $366. That is the major support. As of now, we are still above $420, and we are maintaining the $420 as a big support for the Ethereum price. And in terms of resistance above, we can see in 1 day time frame. Let's have a look on that. In terms of resistance above we have is $490. That is a resistance in daily time frame. You can see that is the resistance from this side, that is $490 to $500. This will be a next resistance in case of Ethereum price. So that's all about Ethereum technical analysis. And regarding Chainlink, we have seen the price that was making all-time highs, and you can see we have traced this one. This is 1 hour chart, and we have seen this one yesterday, and it breaks this $18, and it made a high of $20. Again, the Chainlink is repeating the same pattern here also. You can see, if I repeat this, you can see the Chainlink is repeating this same pattern over here. This was same as the previous one here. One up, then again we have one small U, then up, then it looks like it's again forming the same over here. But it has to break this one, the small trend line. It has to break, and if it breaks, and if it do the same thing, if it repeat the same pattern, we can expect a price until this will be one of the resistance, that is $20, and it has to break $20. If the $20 also break, we can expect a price up to $22. This is not a financial advice, this is just a prediction. If it do so, we can see the $22 as a next high for Chainlink. So this is all about technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Chainlink. Next we are approaching to the newses, and first news we have Bitcoin whale cluster shows $14K as a pivotal for BTC price bull run. What that means is whale cluster shows $12,000 to $14,000 range is a key area for Bitcoin in near term according to one popular analysis. So there is a range of price between $12,000 to $14,000. That is a main key area, and once it breaks $14,000, we can expect a start of bull run. You can see David Pure on Chain Analysis laid out several key data points on August 16 based on past 4 years cycle of Bitcoin. So he took past 4 years cycle of Bitcoin and how the price behaves in the past 4 years, and he said that data shows that $14,000 level is a crucial price for Bitcoin due to whale clusters. According to Pure, whale clusters show many large buyers bought in the $9,000 to $12,000 range, which is more number of volumes. That is, for Bitcoin, more number of volumes is in between $9,000 to $12,000 range. That shows whales bought at $9,000 seeing relatively high profits, and those that bought top or at break-even point. So the cluster could result in volatile price action where buyers and sellers aggressively tried to break out from $12,000 to $14,000 price ranges. So you can see the lots of buying volume is near $9,000. Most of the whales have bought Bitcoin at $9,000 range. So this is what he is mentioning, and we can see so is a correction more likely or continuation of Bitcoin rally. If a correction happens, for Bitcoin, we can expect the price may come down to $10,000, and that is $9,000 to $10,000. We can expect the price may come up to that level, and if that happens, that will be a reaccumulation area for Bitcoin. So if that happens, that is the price correction happens and it comes to 10K area, you can see he's mentioning that it will be a major cluster of reaccumulation at that area, and if we break out, we will enjoy the ride. And you can see he's mentioning that major cluster of accumulation at that 10K area. So that 10K area will be the major accumulation area if correction happens. If not, the bull run continues after breaking the $14,000 range. So this is about this news. This is the major news about the Bitcoin. And next we have the news that is Warren Buffett buying gold may push Bitcoin to $50K, investors say. What is that is? We know that Warren Buffett is investing much in gold nowadays, and it's not a pure gold. He is investing in gold mining company, that is gold mining company that is Barrick, which is he is investing in that shares. And you can see Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway sold bank stocks to buy gold mining company. What he did is he sold almost all of his bank stocks, and with that money he is now buying gold mining companies, which will indirectly boost the price of Bitcoin. And you can see the main thing is he sold Goldman Sachs, that is a bank. He sold all of his shares from Goldman Sachs for Canadian gold company Barrick Gold. So he bought that company shares, that is a gold mining company. And what this will do is this will increase the BTC to $50,000, because nowadays Bitcoin is moving along with the gold, and if someone turns out from the financial institutions like banks, someone is taking and who has massive potential in the investing field, and if he is doing something, he is taking most of his money from the banks and he is now investing in gold, means there is people's mindset will also change. So most of the investors who is following Warren Buffett will also change, and they will also change their mind towards gold and other assets instead of the shares. And you can see that Warren Buffett's decision to enter a gold position over bank shows about Bitcoin. Buffett's decision completely closed Berkshire position on Goldman Sachs follows the bank's second ever highest quarterly trading revenue of $13.3 billion. It suggests Buffett is not comfortable in betting big on banking industries in the long term. So he closes completely the Goldman Sachs shares, that is the bank shares, and you can see he is not now betting big on banking industry in the long term. Instead, Buffett purchased a single stock in Barrick Gold, whose stock has reflected that of a gold in most of 2020. So this Barrick corporation, there is a Barrick mining company whose stock price reflected the price of the gold in 2020. Gold mining company based in Canada, which is recorded a 45% increase in year to date. So he is investing in that. And Max Kaiser, he's a Bitcoin investors and who has invested in companies like we have Kraken, we have Bitfinex, who believes that Buffett's gold investment could benefit Bitcoin. He said the positive sentiment around gold implies a higher valuation for Bitcoin, which someone considers as a digital gold. Yeah. Because Bitcoin is considered as digital gold, so someone is turning towards gold means it will also have attention on digital gold, that is Bitcoin. He is mentioning all about this, that is the Max Kaiser is mentioning all these things here also, and because of that we can expect a Bitcoin can reach $50,000 soon. And nowadays it's like a Warren Buffett turning towards gold means it's great news, and most of the investors are watching. So this is about the news, and we have also seen BTC has shown some correlation with the precious metal as of late. After the COVID crash, you can see Bitcoin and the gold have some correlation, and the Bitcoin prices increases as the gold price also increases. You can see the chart is some correlation between the gold and the Bitcoin. So these things, combined effect of these things and investors investing in Bitcoin can pump the price of Bitcoin to $50,000. Okay, this is all about this news. And then next we have this, that is the TV commercial news. After TV commercial, Grayscale Bitcoin Fund receives $195 million in 1 week. This is about the ad we have seen in the previous video. Grayscale having a 30-second ad in the main media stream, and it was but the ad wasn't mentioning anything about Bitcoin. It is showing the evolution of currencies. So it shows finally it have a small call, that is, although the commercial call on investors to go digital, it never mentioned Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. It doesn't mention anything about Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, but there is a small hint in that ad. It was mentioning that go digital, that is very important in future. So most of them, because of that hint, you can see most of the investment on Grayscale Bitcoin, which is from the normal peoples. So mass adoption is happening here because of these ads. You can see Grayscale Bitcoin Fund receives $195 million in 1 week. It's insane. So this is about this news. We have touched that one, and now we have great news, that is crypto locked in DeFi clocks record $6 billion. DeFi is the boom, guys. DeFi is the bigger industries nowadays. You can see the DeFi boom is insane. All the DeFi coins are reaching all-time high, giving more returns over all other cryptocurrencies. And you can see crypto locked in DeFi clocks $6 billion. Just on Friday, the amount locked in crypto hit $5 million. And now it's around 3 days, right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and now it's Monday. We have again hit $6 million. So within 3 days, we have attained $6 billion. It's insane. You can see the amount of locked DeFi hits $6 billion. That means they added another $1 billion since Friday. So we know that DeFi is a decentralized finance, and most of the people lock their funds as they locked in bank. So usually normal people deposit them in a bank. So but in DeFi protocol, they will lock the funds in DeFi, similar to the bank how they are locking. And in such a way the user maintains custody of them and can withdraw at any time. So they can withdraw them at any time. And one more thing is flagship product like Maker, for instance, allows users to deposit ETH holdings in exchange for an equivalent tranche of stablecoin DAI, which maintains the value of the locked in ETH even if the market collapses. So what will happen is, if someone is investing and someone is locking the amount in DeFi, what we'll do is, in case of Maker, what they will do is they will take the value of ETH and ETH holdings and they will provide a stable coin DAI, which will in turn maintains the value of the locked price, because DAI is a stable coin which will maintain the value of the amount which is locked into the DeFi protocol. So if anything occurs, like if market collapses also, the user won't lose its value of the money because it's locked in stable coin. So this is about the DeFi protocol, and now it's like a craze among the crypto industries, and people are investing more into DeFi protocol and they are locking their amounts. And you can see the crypto which is locked in DeFi is raising day by day, and it not in a small amount. It's like $1 billion in 3 days is huge. It's huge, man. And it's insane, guys, because $1 billion in just 3 days is insane, and we can expect much more amount of money logged in futures, because the bull run haven't started yet. It's in the early stages, and we can expect more amount of money will be logged in DeFi protocol in future. Okay, that's all for today. As said before, we'll be dealing about other altcoins in the CryptoCrux series. That is a new series we'll be launching soon. We'll be dealing with that. And hope you guys would like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and also subscribe this channel in order to get daily updates about crypto. So let's see you guys in another episode of Crypto with Crypto Mac. Until then, signing off, Crypto Mac. See you guys.